Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Halloween snacks which is healthy and delicious, and it's so much fun making these quick and easy Halloween treats, and I hope you find this video useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make jack-o'-lantern bread. Here I've got 250 grams of chicken mince. To the chicken I'm adding some spices like garlic powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, cumin powder, chili flakes and salt. To bind the chicken and spices, I'm going to add some olive oil. Mix everything thoroughly for a minute. Take some bread slices and spread a thin layer of chicken paste on the bread. Take some cheese slices and cut eyes and teeth for jack-o'-lantern. To a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil to fry the bread slices. Put the chicken side down. We have put a thin layer of chicken, so this will not take much time to cook. Keep the flame on medium and fry the slices for about 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. Now let's turn it to the other side and fry. Chicken is done. Turn off the flame and add the cheese on top. Leave it for a few seconds and then remove it from the pan. Ingredients for spooky apple. To make spooky apple, take an apple, cut into 4. Take one piece and cut it in the center as shown here. Apply some peanut butter to stick the teeth. For the teeth, I'm using some sunflower seeds. For the eyes, I'm using white and brown choco chips. Add a little peanut butter to stick this. Ingredients to make witch broom. I'm using string cheese to make broom bristles. For the handle, I'm using this pretzel stick and tie it up with a spring onion. Time to pack the snack box. There you go, easy to make Halloween snack ideas, and your kids will surely enjoy. Try this recipe and share this video with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.